How to repair scratches on luxury vinyl floors. First, clean the area with a neutral pH cleaner and a gentle scrub brush. Then rinse the area with clean water and dry the area completely. Using the gray pad in the Scratch Fix kit, scuff the scratched area. Wipe the area clean using the white cloth in the kit. Now apply the Scratch Fix spray. First, shake the Scratch Fix aerosol can vigorously. Then lightly spray the scratch lengthwise. Then spray crosswise along the scratch. Repeat lengthwise spray if needed to cover the scratched area. If you don't have experience with this product, spray one coat at a time. Allow approximately 10 minutes drying time between coats. Pro tip: rotate the spray can up as you spray back and forth to feather the finish at the edges. Keep off the repaired area until it's completely dry. You can get the Scratch Fix kit by Dr. Schutz at 1-877-FloorGuy.com/scratchfix.